Hello friends, in this video I am explaining about mini push button switch 6 pins used in computer power on off switch. This one, mini push button 6 pin used in computer power on off switch. Here we can clearly see power switch. Here written power, SW means switch, power switch. Now in this is the, here this one power button, this one push button power switch, and this one orange white reset button. Here we can see clearly reset switch. Here is written orange white reset switch and blue white clearly written power switch. Now how to check this power mini push button is working or not? What kind of problem we will face if due to this power button? Now I will explain by using this continuity tester. Now I will show how to test this power mini push power switch button. Now function of this push button switch. Function of tactile power micro switch. Six pins. This switch having 6 pins, 1 2 3 4 5 6. The pins are normally open. All these pins are normally open, disconnected, and when the button, this button is pressed, they are momentarily connected. When we button pressed, momentarily connected, closed, and complete the circuit. Now the pins are normally open, disconnected. Disconnected, and when the button is pressed. Pressed. They are they are movement momentary momentary connected momentary connected closed and complete circuit complete circuit. Now fault finding in power switch. If your computer not power on, you have to check this push button for open. If this push button open, computer will not power on. Second, the computer mysteriously stops working or hangs after some use. That time also we have to check if they any stuck in this power switch. Is there any stuck in this power switch? If your system also uh, reboots itself, that time also we have to check this power switch. Now I will write the computer. First reason the computer mysteriously mysteriously stops work or hangs. That type. Second problem, computer not power on. Third, computer reboots oftenly. This for this we have to check switch stuck or short. In this switch we have to check short. For this, if this switch open, then computer will not power on. Open. In this condition also sometime short or loose connection in switch. Now I will check how to test this power switch by using this busy way. This continuity tester is there and digital multimeter also there. I will show both. Now testing method of power switch. When your system reboots, that time you have to check reset button and power button also. Both buttons you have to check. For that, now I am checking how to check this power button. We have to take two leads from any wire. I have taken two leads. This one we have to, this one is power button, this one power switch. We have to insert this insert it, and now I inserted. Now this one is continuity tester. We have to connect the both. After that, second pin also we have to connect. If light will come, the switch short. If switch is short, the light will be continue come. Now we have to press this power button. When I press this button, that time this light should glow. Once glow and stop. So now I pressing, see here, when I pressing this momentarily connected and disconnecting. That means this switch is working fine. And now I have to check this reset button also. Now reset button. Now insert this. If any short in the reset button, it light will glow continue. No. Now here we have to, in this condition also no light, means the switch is no short in the switch. This one reset button, and now when I press this, it will glow. So reset button also working fine. So one more switch I have to checking. This button I have to check. Here inserting these leads. Now this switch is short. This switch is short. That is why it's continue glowing. Switch is short. Now I will show how to test with digital multimeter. Just turn on your digital multimeter to continuity mode. Now take red probe and black probe. The switch is short. This one switch is short. That is why it's showing some reading. Showing 5. Likewise, we have to check this type switches also by using digital multimeter. Now insert this leads into then here we have to connect. When I press the button, that time the continuity will show on. It's working fine. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.